Hello, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the Fort Myers MarineMax. Today I want to show you a 2019 27 Vantage. This particular boat is done as desert tan, has a black boot stripe and black logo. The boat is also rigged with a pair of white Mercury 250 Verados. In a moment we'll climb aboard this boat and I'll show you some of the features and benefits of the interior layout. As I enter the Boston Whaler 27 Vantage from the aft swim platform to the transom door, first thing I'll notice is the amount of space in the integrated hardtop. You'll notice lots of interior seating. The Vantage has been one of the more popular family style boats that still allows you to go fishing with your friends when the family doesn't want to go out with you. You notice lots of bow seating, lots of extra cup holders. This has the integrated windlass anchor system in the bow. Now let's take a look at the back a little closer. As I walk my way from the bow to the stern of the boat, the first thing you'll want to notice is the captain's helm seat and the companion seat, which has a lot of mobility to it, and I'll go through that in a moment. And of course, the standard rear large seat. And behind the captain's chair, you have a very large console with an integrated cooler underneath and a removable freshwater spigot. Looking more closely at the helm, this boat is equipped with a 12-inch hybrid touch Raymarine Axiom Pro. We have 3 Mercury SmartCraft gauges and a VHF radio. This boat also has a neat feature that's called the active trim control. This is automatic engine control, so you don't have to worry about the trim button on the throttles. Now on the companion side or port side of the boat, you'll open the console door. You have very easy access. This is a finished off upgraded head compartment with a vacuum flush toilet system, synthetic teak flooring, Corian countertops, stainless steel sink with removable spigot. Also on the companion side or port side of the boat, there's a large double seat here where the backrest moves forward to allow for a large lounge. Here you can see the lounge mode, and this back portion of it also tilts up as a backrest. As we walk through the 27 Boston Whaler Vantage, you'll notice the space in this boat is wonderful family cruising. Again, if you want to fish, all the fishing amenities are on the boat. There are over 10 rod holders on this particular boat with a live well, as well as storage racks and tow rails. So you certainly can go out and catch all the fish you want. Thank you for spending this moment with me to review our 2019 27-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. If you have any questions, please call me, Slade Sackman at MarineMax in Fort Myers. I'll be happy to arrange this showing or any other showing.